Carry the camera come. Anything we concern Peller and Jarvis, I don't wash my hand come on. Carry the camera come. I not get body for who small pikin, Go you stay play mumu love. Just because say I dey advise you Peller. You look down on me, you pour me take for more spit. I come Lagos, you not see anything you buy for me. Now suit, when they take they bound people for mortuary, now you buy for me Peller. Because I'm a nobody in your eye. Don't worry. This boy, you get mind, drop me from middle of nowhere in the middle of the night. Now so they work out, now so the suit they reflect. Everybody they see me, they run for Lagos. Which spirit they come from that side? Peller, you turn me to a spirit when I'm still alive. Don't worry. Where the mortuary man? How can me go mortuary? Where the mortuary man, Come and take me to mortuary. Now dead man I be.
Okay, see me for here, lie down.
Ima. Dead man, girl who passed through their life on Nigeria. Don't worry.
Kwene ufa. Mako kwene.
Aye. What you do now? When I want bury me alive for Nigeria, Nigerians, Geh Geh, you want spoil people relationship, Now my crime be that for Nigeria. When I want bury me alive, don't worry, give me flower, make I go meet God.
Action.
If I finally reach heaven, God ask me say, Geh Geh, what you carry you come heaven? I go say na your stupid love, Peller, now you carry me come heaven. You get one boy where they call Peller for Nigeria, where they move follow woman. Now your stupidity carry me come heaven. Don't worry. Where the angels? Give me the flower, man, go meet God. I finally reach heaven. God asked me, say, Geh Geh, what you carry you come heaven? I go say, he get one boy, there's a boy in Nigeria where they move follow woman. Your stupid love don't finally carry me enter heaven. Go and celebrate with your family. You know understand? Where the angels?
Ah, your phone dey ring o.
Who they call me? No worry, call me back later. They discuss with God. I'm in heaven now.